Hello there. In an era dominated by digital interfaces, selecting the perfect computer monitor is no longer just about size and resolution. With a multitude of options flooding the market, the quest for ideal monitors hinges on understanding the monitor features that cater to specific needs and preferences. To make an informed decision, it is critical to dissect the key features that define a monitor performance, ergonomics, connectivity, and specialized functionalities, empowering you to choose a display that perfectly aligns with your unique requirements. Here are some features to consider when choosing a computer monitor. Monitor type is important when choosing a monitor. The IPS is the market leader. VA is the best for high contrast. OLED is a premium option but expensive. 1440p resolution is recommended. 4K is an affordable upgrade. 144 Hz refresh rate is becoming the standard. Go higher for action-packed entertainment. Adaptive Sync, a must-have feature for gamers. Now let's go into more details about each monitor features. The technology available in today's computer monitors is more complex than ever, but there are still only a small number of classifications between different types. Each one is described by the kind of technology that is used on the light panel. Almost every available monitor today can fall into one of these groups. The type of panel used will go a long way in informing you about the best use case for that particular monitor and if it is right fit for you. In plain switching, IPS is the most commonly used and preferred type of computer monitor, providing a bright color display and sharp details. The color matching performance has a broad scope ranging from just average to completely amazing. IPS computer can also support the best features for gaming, including fast pixel responses and high refresh rates. The downfall of most IPS monitors is a lack of contrast and a truly rich black, which can make images with a lot of shadows appear murky. Vertical alignment VA increasing in popularity recently. Vertical alignment VA monitors has become an option due to the high brightness and vivid colors, which are comparable to IPS monitors. VA monitors also have a better contrast ratio and darker black levels for overall better image quality. When used for gaming, VA monitors can offer excellent motion clarity and above average view angles, particularly vertically. However, they do tend to suffer when viewed from a side angle. IPS monitors tend to have better motion clarity at most price points. The VA technology is more commonly used in TVs and PC monitors. Twisted pneumatic TN displays consist of a panel of liquid crystals that are sandwiched between two polarizing filters. When an electrical current is applied, the crystals twist and allow light to pass through. TN panels are generally the least expensive option available in the market. They have very fast pixel response times, which improves motion clarity. However, TN displays do have limitations in contrast, view angle, and color performance that makes them less suitable for everyday use. TN monitors are best suited for dedicated gaming setups, which can help improve gaming performance. Organic light emitting DoD OLED uses organic pixel elements that emit their own light. OLED technology is known for excellent contrast and black levels, as the OLED pixels that are turned off emit no light at all. These displays surpass other panel types in color performance and have the best in class motion clarity. Additionally, viewing angles are superb. However, OLED panels aren't as bright as the competition at the top end. Over time, OLED displays may suffer permanent image retention, also called ghosting, although this takes many thousands of hours. Furthermore, the technology is very expensive in PC monitors. When it comes to image quality, OLED is the clear winner, although it can be quite expensive and is usually targeted towards a specific audience that values uncompressed performance over cost. On the other hand, IPS is the most popular display technology and can provide an excellent viewing experience when paired with the right combination of other specifications. For most people, IPS is the way to go, but a monitor with a VA panel might be a better choice if you do not view it from an angle and want to improve image quality while watching movies and TV shows. When it comes to monitors, the most popular sizes are typically 24, 27, or 32 inches. While some may think that bigger is always better, it is important to consider how the size of a display fits within your field of view. This means that you should be able to see all parts of the screen without having to strain your eyes or move your head around too much. Ultimately, size of your monitor is personal preference. Smaller displays work well for multi-monitor setups, while large displays offer wider viewing angles and ability to view your entire workflow on one screen. Ultra-wide monitors are becoming increasingly popular and are widely available in the market. They are generally categorized as having a 21 by 9 aspect ratio. A 34-inch ultra-wide monitor is as tall as a 27-inch screen but 7-inch wider. In addition to offering more viewing space, the ultra aspect ratio is perfect for movies and some games, providing an impressive viewing experience. Although ultra-wide monitors can be more expensive, they are a more affordable alternative to buying two high-quality monitors. Most budget monitors have a native resolution of 1080p. This is suitable for 24-inch monitors. However, on large displays, lack of sharpness becomes quite noticeable. For 27-inch and 32-inch models, a resolution of 1440p is preferable. For gaming purposes, this resolution is nearly essential. PC gamer will benefit from the sharper details offered by the resolution. For large monitors, 4K resolution is ideal. While added sharpness is not a must-have, it is particularly useful if you work on minute details on large amount of information all at once, requiring you to zoom out. 4K resolution will bring out the finest details in movies and games, making them look incredibly sharp. Price is crucial factor when choosing a monitor. Lower resolution means lower price, but the price gap has narrowed in recent years with 4K monitors becoming increasingly more affordable. Monitor refresh rate refers to the frequency at which it can update the display image every second. While many monitors come with a 60 Hz refresh rate, 144 Hz is quickly becoming the new standard. Some models offer higher refresh rates like 240 Hz or 360 Hz, with premium 500 Hz options also available. Higher refresh rates offer a smoother visual experience, especially when the display images are in motion. They also reduce input lag by displaying new images more frequently. As the refresh rates go higher, benefits become more noticeable. For those who primarily use their monitors for productivity, a 60 Hz refresh rate is sufficient. However, if you are into fast-paced movies, graphics, or games, you will find the upgrade to 144 Hz to be quite noticeable. Higher refresh rates offer a luxury for premium entertainment options and can provide advantage for serious gamers. Adaptive sync is a feature that enables a PC's video output to synchronize with the refresh rate of the display. This ensures smooth frame pacing and tearing, provided that the PC hardware is up to the task. This feature is a must-have for PC gamers, but it is also present in many budget monitors. There are two common standards for adaptive sync based on video card manufacturers: AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync. These are designed to work with their respective video cards, so it is important to pay attention to the monitor supported standards. Additionally, there is a third-party standard called VESA Adaptive Sync, which is supported by AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA in their latest graphic solutions. However, the functionality may be more limited than using the company's in-house standard. Adaptive sync is commonly associated with gaming, but has no real price premium attached to it and is a feature that will improve your experience. That's it for this guide. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.